a few things in my fridge and freezer that I had to use up before they go bad or expire. So what I plan on doing is doing like a little meal prep that I'm going to share with you all for the week. Plus the kids are home for spring break. So I thought it would be good to cook up the stuff that I need to cook up. So I have the ground turkey here. What I'm going to do with this is make, I think I'm going to make some ziti. I have the boneless chicken thighs. I only have 2, so I'm going to make like some chipotle chicken for the kids. Took out the drumsticks, which I have 3 of those and 1 of this. Some cheese I have to use up. Corn.
I can wear a jacket.
Some breakfast sausage. Carrots, not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. Just a few slices of cheese that I have. Beef sausage. And then I have like some vegetables, some jalapeno, which is basically going bad. Cilantro. I don't know what I can do with this yet. Some pico left over. And some onions. And this is just some chipotle sauce and celery. Oh, and sandwiches, which I don't know if this is any good because of it has the ice in it. So we'll see. I might have to throw this out. This might be freezer burnt, but we'll see. So I'm going to share with you all the meals that I'm going to make. So I am going to use this for the ziti because I have to use this up before it expires. I don't think that I need all 3. I have 2 crushed and 1 tomato. So I think I might use just 1. I might be good with 1. I'm not sure. I'm only making a small batch of ziti. And then I'm hoping I have enough cheese. I found this in the freezer. So I'm hoping that there's enough cheese and stuff for it. If not, I have to go to the store and get more. But we'll see. To make sure I have enough cheese, I do have this little piece of Velveeta left, so I'm going to add it to the pasta. So I also had some marinades that I wanted to use up. As you can see, this one don't have that much. but I'm gonna mix the two. So
Where are the beans from?
they got it from downstairs. So I split up the chicken into two because I have this. I have this that I need to use before it expires. So I have a can of cream of mushroom that I'm going to use for one. I'm just gonna put this in the fridge, let it marinate for a little while. I'm also gonna let this chicken marinate for a little while before I put them in the oven. Actually came out pretty good. I didn't get any of the food plated, so this is it after the fridge. Better than I expected, actually. So here's my weekly ShopRite grocery haul. I don't think I'm gonna go to Stop and Shop this week. There weren't much things on sale or much that I needed this week. So even though I am doing like cleaning out the fridge and freezer and using up stuff, I did, as you can see, still go to the grocery store for shopping. So I did pick up this cheese. They are $1.77 this week. I ended up buying the cookies. The Chips Ahoy cookies, they're on sale 3 for $8, I believe, and there's a $1 digital coupon. Some King's Hawaiian rolls, some tortillas, creamer, coffee creamer. They have the 3-pound bag of sweet potatoes for $1.50. Onions, we always need onions. Milk, just because it's spring break and I think the kids might eat cereal. I am using the olive oil that I have, so I figured that I would buy one before I run out because it was on sale. I did get some tomatoes. halos, some mozzarella cheese, the Cracker Barrel cheese that I can keep and use when I need instead of the shredded cheese, bananas. I want to do like a banana bread. That's the reason I got the bananas, but all the bananas were like this, so I just got that, and the kids will eat that too. They have the broccoli. I picked up some broccoli, more tomatoes. We've been having smoothies, so I just picked this up because it was $1. The milkshake straws, they're like thicker. Well, the opening is wider. They had the lasagna noodles on sale. I just got them because they were on sale. And I got the regular one and the oven ready. Snacks for the kids, brownie, oatmeal. And I believe, oh, I picked up some butter. I always get butter when it's on sale. I got the Country Crop plant butter and this one, the Hotel Bar. I picked up some plantains. I got 4 of those and some asparagus. And that is everything I picked up. All right, so I think I'm gonna add this to the fridge clean out video. So instead of doing like a separate grocery haul video. And I did not have a budget this week. Usually I try to stay under $50, but as you can see, this stuff was more than $50. I think it was like 103 or something like that. Oh, and I didn't share. I got garlic because one of the meals I made, I wish I would have had garlic. The ziti, I didn't have any garlic. Lines, I did share. I did have some chicken thighs. I'm gonna make some Chipotle chicken for the boys, and I picked up 2 of these, which will be like a meal for us, these 2, because they were on sale. All right, and I believe that that is everything. So I have these little bit of potatoes I need to use up, so I'm just gonna use these for breakfast. So I'll show you all once they're done. I'm just gonna make like some hash browns.